anytime I want to use this audience, when I come here, instead of entering all the information I want to enter, I just go to save audience. And these are all the list of audiences I've saved. As you can see, I've saved a number of audiences here for different type of ads. Now, we come to the placement section. This placement section, this is where you want your ad to be displayed. As I told you earlier during the introduction of this course, ads can display in different formats and in different areas on the Facebook platform, on the news feed, on the Facebook marketplace, your stories, your instant articles, and all that. So majorly, it's okay sometimes to go with this recommended version, but I would prefer to choose manual placement. So you can select properly the way you want your ad to be delivered to. So now this is a traffic ad. I want people to, to visit my website, and I want the ad to run on Facebook and on Instagram. If you want it to run on Facebook only, you just uncheck, you uncheck. So it's going to run on Facebook only. But now there are also different areas in which it's going to run. Just scroll down. These are the breakdown: Facebook feed, Facebook marketplace, Facebook video feed. If you're using a video, you can leave this checked. If you're selling a product, leave Facebook marketplace checked. If it's an article or a blog or just an awareness ad, you can leave this check. So let's say, we're selling female wears now, right? And we're using a video to promote. I'm going to check this, leave Facebook feed, leave video feeds, scroll down. I want it to run on stories. Once we upload our video, this is how it is going to preview. So I want it to run on Facebook stories also. I want it to run on Facebook Reels. I'm going to leave that checked. I don't want it on in-stream videos because people majorly focus on videos on their feeds most times and just keep those in-stream videos. Now, if you want, your ad to appear on search results, when someone goes on Facebook and search for something like female bags or shoes and your page comes up first, you leave that on. And also, if I want my ad to display on Instagram, what I just do is go back and check Instagram. Now, you don't actually need to have an Instagram account. As long as you have a Facebook page, the ad can run on Instagram using that Facebook page's name. So it doesn't necessarily mean you have to have an Instagram account. So once you're there, this is Instagram feed. I need to uncheck. I want to run on Explore, yes. Explore Home, yes. I want it to run on Instagram stories. I want on Instagram Reels. I'm going to leave all that and on search results. So that is basically it for the placement. If you do not understand, do well to watch the video over and over again until you understand. So now we are going to move to the ads section. So I'm just going to change our name here to ads training. And then I'm going to select the Facebook page I want to use to run the ads. Now you may have several pages. Maybe you have several businesses. You have a hair salon and also a restaurant. You want to run an ad for that hair salon and not the restaurant. This is where you choose the page. So you come here. I want to use my page. Click on my page. Now, since I have an Instagram account, it's going to automatically display here. But if I do not have an Instagram account, it's just going to show let me show you the page that does not have an Instagram account. Now, use selected page on Facebook. So your ad will still run on Instagram even if you do not have an Instagram account. But now I want to go back and use my own personal page. Alright, so now on this option you can either create an ad like I told you, or use an existing post I showed you in the previous video. You can either create an ad where you get to upload the video, or you use an existing post, videos that you have already uploaded on your page. If you're using this option, this is the format. Do you want to upload a video? Do you want to upload carousel, which is 2 or more images or videos, or do you want to upload a collection of videos? The single image and single video, you leave disclosed fields. Multiple images, you choose carousel. So I want to use a single image and a single video. I can check this. And now this is where you add your media, right? You can add the image or add the video. Now these are some videos I already have uploaded, but if you do not have you won't find any videos here. If you don't have any videos uploaded, you just have to click on upload, and then you can upload from your file. You can upload directly from your PC. So now how about using the second option? Let's say I want to use a post that I've already uploaded on my page. What I come now is change this to use existing post. And I go over to select the post I want to use. And these are several posts that I have uploaded on my Facebook page. I can choose from here, and I can also go to Instagram and choose from Instagram. These are several videos that I have uploaded on my page. So let's say I want to choose, let me choose this. I choose this and I click on continue. So now, this is a photo collage that I uploaded. And this is the way the ad is going to appear on Facebook. So this is a preview of how it's going to show on feeds. This is a preview of how it's going to show on Facebook feeds, on Instagram feeds, on Facebook Marketplace. So now this post has a call to action button already, which is to send messages to WhatsApp. But what we want to do, how we want to run is to take people to our website. So what that means is that I cannot use this post, because when I was uploading it, I used the call to action button. So I'm just going to change that. I'm going to change that post. Right, you can see that it's not showing ad button, which means this post does not have a call to action button. But if you are basically running a traffic ad, now this is where you add the button, and you can add, this is the learn more button, what people will see. If you want them to go to your website, you can either choose sign up if it's a subscription. If you want people to sign up to something, if you want people to subscribe to something, choose this. If you want people to watch more and you're taking them to YouTube or somewhere else to watch more video, you can choose that. If you want, you're running a lead generation, as you want people to go over to your website and then contact you from there, you can also choose this. But you're just going to leave it on the learn more, and this is where you put in your link. I'm just going to type in my website. So this is where I want people to visit my website, right? So I have updated that link, the call to action button, learn more. So when my ad is running, this is how it's going to display. So once someone click on this learn more, it takes them directly to my website. So once that is done, that is basically all you need. Okay, so it's showing me that my link is not valid right now. Okay. Okay, so I have imputed the correct link and I just changed the media. So let me just show you. So this is, we're using existing post, right? And I show you how you could use existing post. Once you have done that and you paste you add a call to action button and then you paste the link you want to here and then you update the post. But now I would recommend that you use the create ad button most times, especially if you're running a traffic ad. And then you go and upload. If you want to upload, you just scroll down. I have already uploaded the media here. So once you create, you choose on manual upload and then you upload your media like I showed you earlier. So once you have uploaded your media, these are the different placements that I chose. Now what you want to do now is your primary text. What you want people to see, the write-up, the ad creative, all of this is where you put that. So I have some saved up here. If you don't have, you can just type something or you can copy and paste. So I'm just going to add this from my previous post. I'm just going to add that. So I added that right up. That is what I want people to read. They're seeing my ad, seeing the image, this is the write-up I want them to see. If we're using a video, we would upload a video instead of an image. So when you add your primary text, what you want to do now is add a headline. Now a headline, this is like something to attract them, something. Why do you want them to click on that link? Why do you want them to visit your page? You understand? What is your headline? And this right here, I was